Unlocking digital extras. Understanding in-app purchases. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a term you've probably seen while using your favorite apps: in-app purchases. Whether you're browsing through a game, a productivity tool, or a learning app, understanding this concept is key to navigating the digital world. Let's get started. In-app purchases are additional content or subscriptions that you can buy within a mobile application or computer software. Unlike the initial download of an app, which might be free or come at a fixed price, in-app purchases offer optional, additional paid features. These can range from extra lives in a game, premium content, ad removal, or access to a full version of the software. There are several types of in-app purchases, each serving a different purpose. 1. Consumable purchases. These are items that can be used once and then they're gone. Think of in-game currency or extra lives in a game. 2. Non-consumable purchases. These are permanent features you only need to buy once. Examples include ad removal or unlocking a full set of features in an app. 3. Subscriptions. These purchases unlock content or features for a set period. You might subscribe to a magazine within an app or premium functionalities in productivity apps. Making an in-app purchase is typically straightforward. 1. Tap on the feature or item you're interested in. 2. The app will usually guide you through the payment process. 3. You'll need to confirm the purchase, often with a password or biometric authentication. 4. Once confirmed, the feature or item will become available. Remember, it's important to read the details carefully to understand what you're buying and how much it costs. Managing your in-app purchases is crucial, especially to avoid unintended spending. Set up password protection. Ensure that every purchase requires confirmation. Check purchase history. Regularly review your purchase history to monitor your spending. Understand refund policies. Know how to request a refund if you purchase something by accident or if the content isn't what was promised. In-app purchases can enhance your app experience by unlocking additional content and features. However, it's important to use them wisely and stay informed about what you're buying. We hope this video has shed light on in-app purchases and how they work. Happy exploring, and see you in the next video.